We're Tim and Janelle Persall with E3 Alliance, bringing you the next installment in our Work Smarter, Not Harder series. Let's start looking at how we plan for implementing this learning in our classrooms. Looking ahead, teachers and leaders begin preparing to accelerate learning for all by recognizing that the content we are asking students to learn is organized for us into courses with learning standards. We must study and select standards to accelerate for our instructional plan, examining the course in its entirety and selecting those standards that are most essential within each unit for mastery of the course as a whole. The quantity of standards must be narrowed strategically so you can use an accelerated instructional approach to amplify learning. Although it varies with your specific schedule and pacing, a typical accelerated learning plan would be centered on 8 to 10 standards for the entire year-long course. Often, our first attempt to select the critical standards will result in too many standards to be effective, like this example where there are 13 essential standards. What strategies can we use to narrow the focus even further and ensure we are making the right selections?
Once the most essential standards have been selected by unit, the next step is evaluating which of these is aligned to readiness for success in the next grade level. In our example, 10 of the 13 standards were directly linked to readiness in the next grade level. Another filter to use in your collaborative work to narrow the focus is to consider what is even worthy of knowing or learning about the content in that course for the real world, for college, career, or military readiness. Using these steps will help you narrow the scope of your content so you can create an effective calendar and plan accelerated learning for all. Thank you for watching today. Be on the lookout for our next clip in this series to learn more about accelerated learning. Make sure you tag us whenever you watch these. Thanks again.